Hi everyone, welcome to sunrayfx. My name is Sunray. Today I'm going to show you how to trade inside bar. In my recent video I showed you how to identify inside bar on chart, but today I want to go a little bit further to how to trade inside bar. In this series it's going to be some lengthy series. I'm going to teach you how to trade inside bar for bullish and bearish reversal. I'll also show you how to trade inside bar for bullish and bearish continuation. I'll also show you how to trade inside bar as a swing trader, and also how to trade inside bar as a scalper. So it's going to be 3 or 4 videos in this series. You have to stick with the video so that you can have the full understanding on how to trade inside bars. Please subscribe to this channel, click the like buttons and notification button to see this video and to see the next video that's coming on inside bar and other videos that I'll be releasing going forward. So without wasting much of our time, what to do now is to know how to identify inside bar. So if you're on trading field, whether you're on the free package or you're on premium package like me, so you can go to trading view, and then you have access to have like 3 indicators to your chart if you are using the free package. But like me, I can add any indicators that I want. But what we want to do today is just like 2 indicators that you need to trade inside bar. The first indicator, you have to go to your indicators and then click on your indicators and search for, you can see what I search for inside bar. So once you search for inside bar, our series of inside bar will come out. We have a lot of inside bar indicators on trading view. Just go to inside bar with bullish and bearish color. So let me clear inside bar with bullish and bearish color, then ended with 940. So inside bar with bullish and bearish color, ended with 940. So add that one to your chart. And then the second indicator that you are going to add is moving average exponential. So this one is just one. Moving average, there are many ribbon, simple, weighted, all those ones. You don't need all those ones. Just click on moving average exponential, then add it to your favorite list. So if you toggle all this star, so that means you have already added it to your favorite list. All you need to do is close it and then go to your favorite indicators. So now I have this one there. Let me clear it now. So now let me go to favorite indicators and add these 2 indicators to my chart. I added inside bar right now. Let me add the moving average also. So the first thing that you need to do is to do some settings, the setting custom settings on those 2 indicators. So after you do the custom settings, and then I'll now go to how you are going to trade it. Now if you see the chart right now, so in custom settings, you can see that we are seeing 2 different colors of inside bar. So we are seeing black, we are seeing gray. So that is the indicator, but I don't like it this way. I don't really like it this way. So I want something that doesn't give me too much headache. So I have to go to inside bar. When you go to the left side of the inside bar, all you need to do is to click on these setting buttons. So when you click on the setting button, so all you need to do is to change this one to the same color. So you can choose any color that's different from this red and green color. So if you have red and green color on your chart like mine, so you can change it to any color different from that. So I prefer to choose blue. So I'm choosing blue for the top one. I'm also choosing blue for the second one. So in this case, I'm going to be seeing inside bar very clearly on my chart. Go to visibility, is nothing. So you have to go back. There's nothing you are changing in these custom indicators apart from this color. I'll change it to blue, then click OK. So that is all about that. Then you go to moving average exponential. So go to moving average exponential and then click on settings. So in this one, moving average exponential settings, in this one you have to go to input. So we have 9 there. 9 is a default, so you have to put 50 there, and then 50, that is all on this one. Go to style and then change this one. That is all about that. Black, that is all. So that's all about that. Then click OK. So these are the 2 indicators, but for now we are going to use only the inside bar. In my next video I'll show you how to use the 50 EMA indicator. So with that being said, so I have to turn this one off. So you don't need to remove it from your chart. Just click on this icon. It will show and hide. So I just hide the 50 EMA indicators for the next video. Now I'm going to teach you how to trade inside bar for reversal. You can see that all these candles in blue color, they are inside bar. You can see right now, this is the mother bar, this is the mother bar, and this is the baby bar. So disregard the next one. This is the mother bar and this is the baby bar. So those are the inside bar. So on your chart, those are the inside bar on your chart. You see now, so you don't have to disturb yourself more to see inside bar anymore. With these indicators you can see inside bar very clearly on your charts. You can see them very clearly on your charts. So how to trade inside bar for bullish and bearish reversal. So I'm going to use this one, and before you trade bullish or bearish reversal, all you need to do is to go to higher time frame, like 2 higher time frame from the one that you are currently trading. What do I mean? If you are a daily trader, if you trade on daily time frame, so all you need to do is to go to weekly time frame or monthly time frame and identify your key zones. So you go to weekly or monthly time frame to identify your key zones. So if you are trading on the 4 hours time frame, let's say you are trading on 1 hour time frame, so all you need to do is to go to 4 hours time frame. If you are trading on if you are trading on 1 hour time frame, all you need to do is to go to 4 hours time frame, and then you identify the key zones. So you go to 4 hours time frame and you identify the key zones on your chart. So let's go to popular pair. Let's go to Euro USD. There's one more thing that I need to show you so that you can avoid doing the settings over and over again. So once you are done with your settings right there, and it's right there on your chart, so all you need to do is to go to indicator settings and save the indicator template. So I save my own as inside bar strategy. So on this Euro USD, there's no inside bar any there, so you can look at, there's no indicator there. So but I've already saved it as inside bar strategy. So all I need to do is to come back here. I have the 2 here, I have these 2 here, and then let me remove the indicators, remove the drawings. So all I need to do is to come back to inside bar strategy, and then I put it there. So you see, yes, right, it's here now. So it's here now. So I can go to any chart now. Let me go back to Euro USD. So all I need to do is to go back to inside bar strategy, and then I click on it. It will appear. It will appear. Yes, it will appear. So I don't need to be doing the settings over and over again. So all I need to do, once you are done with your this thing, just go back to this indicator template, then click on save as indicators, and then click on the name that you are going to give it. And then if you want the indicator to, if you want the template to remember the symbol and the interval, so this one is regardless, I don't toggle it on, so I don't want it to remember the symbol. And if you click this one, every time the chart is going to go back to the previous one that you saved on, so I don't want it. And if you click on remember interval, so the time frame that you saved this in the first place is keep going back to that one, so I don't need it. So all you need to do is to put the name and click save. So click the name, put the name and click save. So my one is inside bar strategy. I click on inside bar strategy and I click save. So because it's already saved before, so it says, do I want to replace it? Yes. So I replace it. That is all. Yes. So all you need to do is to do that. So once you have done that, so remember you have to hide this 50 EMA because we are using that one in the next video. We are going to use that one in the next video. So that's that about that. So if you are trading on 4 hours, all you need to do is to go to daily time frame. You mark the high and swing high, and mark the swing high and swing low. That is all you need to do on daily time frame. If you are trading on 4 hours time frame, mark the high and mark the low. That is all you need to do. So this is daily time frame. I already marked my high and mark my low, so you can mark like 4 or 5 areas. That is, yes, this is where I want to trade. So you don't need to mark too much places. Just mark the high and low, and then you go back to your 4 hours. So when you go back to your 4 hours, you begin to see what is happening on 4 hours. So coming here, I already marked this place in history. Right here is already marked. Yes, this place is already marked. Fine. And then coming back here, all I need to do is to wait for my signal. So as a student, in my previous video, I showed you how to look for reversal signal. I showed you how to trade reversal candlesticks like hammer, the shooting star, and all those stuff. So you are going to combine hammer, shooting star with inside bar to make your reversal. And then number one thing is to show that the inside bar is forming at the key resistance or key support levels. So you have to understand this. You have to understand that the inside bar is not just forming, it's forming at the key resistance and key support levels. And right now, if you go back to daily time frame, you notice that I already marked this place in my daily time frame. This place has already marked as my key support levels. You see, this place already marked as my key support level on daily. And then when I go back to 4 hours, then I can be able to see that my inside bar is forming at key support levels. My inside bar is forming at key support levels. So those are the things that you need to see if you want to trade inside bar. Make sure that your inside bar is forming at the key support levels. Number one. Then you now see inside bar right here. Before the key support level, there are many inside bars, but these ones, they are just inside bar for bearish continuation. So we are coming to that. So but right now, we want to trade inside bar for reversal. So right now, this is key support level. This red line is the key support levels that we are looking to see a reversal, a tangible reversal pattern. But right here, there's no hammer, there's no shooting star, the hanging man is very small. So you can see that all of our reversal pattern here, we barely see any of our candlestick reversal pattern here. We barely see all of them here. So but I can clearly see inside bar here. So I'll forget this one. So once we touch these key levels, I'll be looking for the inside bar. And the first inside bar that I saw right here is this one. Is this particular one that touched the key support level, and the next one. Another thing that you need to look for is that we usually have something like inside bar inside the inside bar. That is double inside bar. When we have your mother candle like this and you have your baby candle like this, that is inside bar. But when you have the third one that is lesser, an inside bar to this one, and this one inside bar to this one, so this one is like when market is trying to break out. So if you are a good student, you should know that this one is called ascending triangle. Yeah, this one is ascending triangle, and whenever market break to the upside, market will retest and go your way. So inside bar in lower time frame, lesser than the time frame that you are trading, looks like ascending triangle, especially when you have the double inside bar. We are not going to that one today. In my video that I'm going to release, I'm going to show you some of those reversal patterns, asymmetric triangle, pin-out, and all those ones. Right now we are just going a little step after each other so that we can understand how to trade. Now this is my inside bar, so I'm going to mark the first inside bar that I see here, right here. I'm going to mark it right here and mark it low here. So this is my inside bar, and this will be my focus right now. This is my inside bar, and this will be my focus right now. This is 4 hours time frame. All I need to do is to mark the high and mark the low of that inside bar, and then you come back to your inside bar. To avoid distraction, you toggle this off. Now my chart is back to normal now. So I'll mark the high right here, and then I'll mark the low, and then mark the high right here. Can you see? Mark the low and mark the high. So this is my inside bar now. So, and then another thing you need to do, you can go to lower time frame, so that if you want to have the early entry to see inside bar inside the previous inside bar. Yes, so this is 2 hours time frame. You can see that we have series of inside bar in 2 hours time frame also. So this one is for 4 hours, and then you can toggle this one on again and look for additional inside bar on lower time frame, right? Look for additional lower time frame inside bar. So this one on the red line is higher time frame inside bar. Don't forget, you look for this support level on daily time frame, and then the first inside bar that you saw is on 4 hours time frame, right? And then you now go back to lower time frame, maybe 2 hours time frame or 1 hour time frame, to look for additional inside bar. Right now I can see this one as an inside bar, this one is an inside bar, right? Okay, I toggle it off again so that I can have something to do on my chart. Right now you can see that you have the 4 hours inside bar, and you also have the 2 hours inside bar. See, you mark this one, you can change the color of this one to black. Change the color of this one to black, right? So lock it, so that when you are moving around on chart, you don't tamper with the lines. Lock it. Yes, all the lines have been locked now. So I have 2 different set of inside bar right now. I have the one on 4 hours, which is the one in line in the red line, and I have one in 2 hours. So you begin to study what is happening right here in this inside bar, what is currently happening. So you can see that we have the 4 hours inside bar, but inside the 4 hours inside bar we also have the 2 hours inside bar. So if you want to trade inside bar for reversal, you have to be very careful, and you know that market already hit the key support level or key resistance level. If you want to trade it for a bullish reversal, you have to know that market is at support level, and this at the support level prior before you see your inside bar, a market has been trying to come back down, and then you are trying to look for key support levels. That's number one. Number two, you are going to go to lower time frame, lower than the one you are trading. You know, this guy is trading on 4 hours time frame, so I'll check daily time frame to look for my key support levels. Daily time frame to look for key support levels when I'm trading for bullish reversal, and then I'm going to go to my normal time frame that I'm trading, which is 4 hours, and look for inside bar. And this is the inside bar, the one on the red line at the inside bar. Then I'm going to look for another lower time frame, lower than the current time frame that I'm trading, which is 2 hours. So I'm looking for 2 hours, and this is the inside bar on 2 hours. You can see that those are the 3 things that you need to do. You go to higher time frame that is higher, like 2 times higher than your normal time frame, to go and do your analysis to get your key support level and key resistance level. You come back to your normal time frame that you are trading to look for inside bar. Then you go to lower time frame, lower than the current time frame that you are trading, to look for another inside bar. So probably that will give you the insight of where market want to go even before market break your inside bar. And then if you're an aggressive trader, that one will be great to, that one will make you to have the early entry. That is just the purpose of going to the lower time frame. So that's that about that. So now, as an inside bar trader, all you need to do, there are many things that you need to look for. Number one, so let's start from this black inside bar. Number one, you are going to, for reversal pattern, you are going to look for a candle that will close against the current trend, right above your inside bar. Don't forget, we are in downtrend right now. And then I saw this inside bar, right here, and then if a candle close below right here, that means I'm still going down. So that is not my purpose, because I already saw my key support levels. What do I wanted to do? I wanted to buy. So what do I need to look for? I need to look for a candle that close above my inside bar. Simple. You look for a candle that close above your inside bar. In that case, this is the first candle that close above your inside bar. So that is the lift candle. This lift candle took you to the next level, and then the same candle, and after the second candle, you can see that this candle also closed above the inside bar on 4 hours time frame. right? So going back to lower time frame give you insight of where market wanted to go even before market make decision. So now that you know that market is likely going to go up, this already gave you the insight of where the market is going to. So all you need to do is now go back to your normal time frame. You go back to your 4 hours time frame. So don't forget, keep your line there, keep your line there, keep your middle line there, just keep it there, but go back to your normal time frame now. You already have insight that market is about to go up because your middle inside bar market closed at the top, so which is negating the fact that market is continuing to the downside, right? You already have your first signal that market is about to go up. Your confirmation is to show that the same candle or another candle close above the inside bar on the same time frame that you are trading, right? So, and this is the candle that does justice to that. This particular candle close above the inside bar on 4 hours time frame, the time frame that I'm trading. You get me right? So the 4 hours, the time frame that I'm trading, right? So once you get this, so this one is your confirmation, and you got the insight from the smaller time frame inside bar that close above, and then this one is now your confirmation. So how to trade it now? So you have to look for few different things on how to trade it, and then you have to know that it depends on the current pair that you are trading, right? And it depends on your risk reward and depending on your time frame that you are trading it. So in this case, let me measure from my high to low of the inside bar. This is just the 67 pips. This is just 67 pips because this is Euro USD. It doesn't have much pips like that, right? And if you are trading on 4 hours, 67 pips is not much for me. But according to my own strategy, my own trade is 50 pips stop loss. What I'm trading on 4 hours, or I'm trading on daily, maximum of 50 pips stop loss. So how am I going to trade it? Now this is when you have to be very smart about it. Number one, so let's do replay now. So all I need to do is to look for a candle that closes above the inside bar right now. You get? So you see, it doesn't close above the inside bar. It doesn't close above the inside bar. Okay, it goes now. You can see this one close above the inside bar now. So all you need to do now, this particular candle already close above the inside bar, right? So, and it does not only close above the main inside bar, it close above the smaller time frame inside bar, and then also close above your 4 hours time frame inside bar. With this, so am I going to buy here? No, because I'm going to measure 50 pips from my stop loss, because below the inside bar is your stop loss. 50 pips below, you have to measure your 50 pips. That is my own way of trading it. I don't risk more than 50 pips on inside bar. Otherwise, I will leave that inside bar to go and then come back next time. That is my own, right? So if your own strategy, or you can risk 67 pips, fine. You can go ahead and risk it. You can risk 67 pips. But the first entry is when market closed above the inside bar. On retest, you are going to put a buy limit right here. On retest, you are going to put a buy limit right here, going long. A buy limit right here, stop loss right here, and then you are going to go to 1:2 or more. If you're on 4 hours, you can go for 1:3. Yes, if on 4 hours, you can go for 1:3. That is the first entry for inside bar, right? That is first entry for inside bar. It's an aggressive entry. So 67 pips stop loss and take profit. 67 times 3, that's about 200 pips. So, but my own, I don't like trading when I have more than 50 pips stop loss. Otherwise, I will look for another inside bar with tighter stop loss, because part of the reason why I love inside bar is sometimes it gives you very tight stop loss. By the time we go to inside bar continuation, you are going to see what I mean. You give you very tight stop loss, and those are the things that you are going to benefit by trading inside bar. But for my own strategy, I will look for 50 pips. What I'll do is that I will just put 50 pips from my stop loss going up. 50 pips. 50 pips. This is 49.9 pips. That's 50 pips, and I'm going to place a buy limit right there. I'm going to place a buy limit right there, and then 50 pips stop loss, and then my take profit 1:3 as well, or I can even go for 1:3 of the aggressive one. So that is that about that. Okay, now let's see what happened to these two setup and which one actually play out. So let's see what happened to this setup right now. Both trades are activated. This one activated here, this one already activated. You can see both trades activated. This is the candle that activated this one. Wait, you can see that both trades got activated, both the aggressive and conservative one. I told you that I prefer to risk not more than 50 pips, and then market came back here. You remember market closed above 8 moving above inside bar right here, and then I placed my own, because I don't want to risk more than 50 pips. So I placed my buy limit right here. I know that market is going up right now, so I just want to minimize my risk. So I'm risking 50 pips. This is it. And the reason why I'm risking 50 pips, there's nothing tell me that I should risk 50 pips in my trading rule, that I don't risk more than 50 pips in any trade, right? That is me. So when I'm trading on 4 hours, I'm trading on daily, I don't risk more than 50 pips on any trade. So that's why I place my own. This is the aggressive entry and this is the conservative entries, because I'm trying to lower my risk, right? Okay, and then you can see that this one, as market returned to this red line, this one has already got activated. Then market came back to this black line where I have my buy limit, and market activated right here. You can see that both trades, they are activated right now. So, and then we are now moving towards the profit target now. So let's see when both trades hit the profit target and see. You can see now the first one, this one, if you are going for 1:3, 1:2 is the ideal profit target. Regardless, if you are trading and you are making 1:2, so all you need to do is to win less than 50% of your trade. You are going to go big in big money. So when you are making 1:2, you can make, if you make 50% of your trade, you are in money. And if you win like 40% of your trade, you are still in money also. That is it. But for me, sometimes on higher time frame like this, I go for 1:3 or more. So regardless, this one hit like almost 1:3, and this one, this is 1:4, because I decided to, this is 1:4 right here, 1:4 right here, because I decided to lower my maximum loss in pips, right? So, and that gives me more hedge because I'm risking lower than the person right here. So you can see that this particularly works here, and then inside bar move very nicely here. So now let's go back to the chart and see what happened next. So you can see that on that chart we both trade have a very good entry right there, and then if you are waiting for 1:3 or more right there, or 1:4 or 1:5, market just have a little drawdown, a little go into your profit, then later hit your profit target. So let me keep this one here so that you know that we actually make money from this trading. Okay, now you see market has already hit this key resistance level on daily. And don't forget, in the beginning of this video I showed you that before you trade on 4 hours, you have to go to daily time frame and mark key support level, key resistance level right here, resistance level, resistance level, resistance level, resistance level. And then on daily, probably before getting to this level, you can see now, you can see on daily right here, right? This is Euro USD. Don't make no mistake. This is Euro USD. This is key resistance level, and there's already dated back to history. If you remember how I showed you how to trade shooting star, hammer, and all those ones, the same procedures. So you have to look left and mark the key support level on 2 times higher time frame than the normal time frame that you are trading. You can see now. Okay, coming back to this level, see, markets are already key resistance level. I did not see hammer. I did not see any other things. So what I can see here is inside bar. You see, inside bar. That's what I can see here, inside bar. So you see inside bar right here. I mark with the black because the red line is the key level. I mark with the black. So how do I know this one is inside bar? If you are not sure, I can know because I'm used to it. But if you are not sure, just go to your indicators show. You see, this is your inside bar. It's already showing. The blue one is inside bar, while the green one is the mother bar, right? I don't need to toggle it on and off again because I already know that it's inside bar. So, and how do you know that it's inside bar? Go to my previous video. There's a link to this right side of this video. Go to my previous video. You will see how to identify inside bar. You have to know how to identify it as a trader before you can trade it. But if you don't know how to identify it, so that's this indicator will help you to identify it. So that will reduce your stress. But nevertheless, you need to know how to identify it. That is bad. That's good for a trader. Now this is inside bar. So this 4 hours time frame, all I need to do is go to 2 hours time frame and see the same inside bar. 2 hours time frame. So 2 hours time frame, I did not see any inside bar on 2 hours time frame, but I saw something that looked like a spinning top doji, and the market already closed below the spinning top doji. So if you don't see any inside bar, fine. But if you can go to 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame, you will see the inside bar. Okay, let's try it. Let me mark this place. Let me mark this place so that. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame. We'll probably see inside bar right here. So you go to 1 hour time frame, there's no inside bar still, Okay, there is inside bar now. You see, there's inside bar now. Let me turn it on and you see. You see, there's inside bar on 1 hour. Yes, I told you, there's inside bar on 1 hour. So all you need to do is to mark the inside bar on 1 hour, right? Then this one you can give it. You can give it which color? Let's give it green color, right? Okay. Now you already see the inside bar on 1 hour, on 4 hours time frame, and then when you go deeper, you saw that the same 4 hours time frame has inside bar on 1 hour time frame. Market close below the 1 hour time frame inside bar. So this one gives you insight on how to enter the market, right? So the first thing is you have to do is to notice where the market close as inside bar. Don't forget this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, and then you want to trade inside bar for reversal, not a continuation. The next video I'll show you how to trade inside bar for continuation, but this one you want to trade inside bar for reversal. So this is an uptrend, and then after the uptrend, if you see my previous video, this candle is called gravestone doji, no, dragon gravestone doji, right? It looks like a shooting star also, but very small rebody. And then this one is an hanging man. So these two is a reversal pattern for you. If you have been seeing my previous video, you will know that these two are already a reversal pattern, but you are not sure, you just want another thing to confirm it. Then here comes the inside bar. So inside bar comes to play. You have your high and the low of the inside bar. Then your point is that if you are trading hammer, so you have to know that you are marking here and here, and you look for a candle that close below, and this candle that close below is also another inside bar for you. So you are still marking here. This is a double check for you. As a trader, this is a double check for you. You are not relying based on indicator. Indicator is just showing you where the candle is. You are not using the indicator per se. If you know how to identify inside bar, you are not using indicators. I'm not like that of indicator types, right? So what this one does for you is that it shows you where the market is going earlier before market went there, right? So you have your inside bar right there and market close below, right? Market close below your inside bar, showing you that this uptrend is over, right? And then you are now going to benefit from it. So with that being said, all you need to do is go back to your 4 hours time frame. Go back to your 4 hours time frame. Yes, now you are in your 4 hours time frame. So all you need to do is to wait for market to close below. Then in my own strategy, this is it. I don't risk more than 50 pips. I'll just measure 50 pips. Okay, this is the 28 pips. Oh, this is better for me. This is a very tight stop loss. I just make it 30 pips, right? This is 30 pips, right? So this is the normal entry. This is the normal entry, but for the aggressive entry, you are going to go back to 1 hour, and your entry will be on this green line when the market close below 8 moving below the inside bar on 1 hour. But I'll wait for 4 hours regardless. Why am I waiting for 4 hours? Because the 4 hours is my normal time frame, and then my stop loss to take profit is even small on 4 hours, so there's no need to go to 1 hour. So if my stop loss is more than 50 pips, I'd rather go to 1 hour to pick the trade, right? But right now my stop loss is less than 50 pips, and right now I even have like 30 pips. All I need to do is to wait and enter the trade. So now let's play how the market will be on the reshart. Let's play it. So this is how market will be in the real time. This red line is the key resistance level, and then I'm looking for market to hit the key resistance level. Market hit the key resistance level, I'm looking for inside bar or looking for any reversal signal. So now I saw my inside bar. I saw my inside bar right now. So while I've seen my inside bar, all I need to do is to wait for when market close below the inside bar on 4 hours time frame. Don't forget, I do not just look for inside bar for reversal. The first thing I look for is I check daily time frame to see the key resistance level when I'm selling, or key support level when I'm buying, right? You have to look for all those levels. If you see them at the middle of the trend, that's another trading pattern. I'm going to teach you how to trade inside bar as a continuation next week, but this week I'm teaching you how to trade it for reversal, right? So it's a different ball game. And don't forget, there's an inside bar right here before the main inside bar. There are two things that I need to show you here. Number one, this one, market almost touched the key resistance zone, right? Number one. Number two, this one, market touched the key resistance zone and market come back inside. So one thing you have to know as an inside bar trader is that once you have, let's assume that you mark this as your inside bar, and then you are waiting for market to close above or close below. Right now, market grab liquidity but does not close above. In as much as market never close above your inside bar, the inside bar is still valid both ways. Whether you are trading it for continuation or you are trading it for reversal, if you mark your inside bar, market went up, and then before session close, market come down. and close inside, your inside bar is still valid. So when your inside bar is invalid is when market close above or when market close below, and show you the continuation pattern. So let that sink in. I'm going to teach you more of that one when we are trading inside bar for continuation. So right now, market touched the key resistance level that we dated back to long years that we have marked on daily time frame. Then I'm looking for inside bar. Then I saw this my inside bar. This is my inside bar, baby bar and mother bar. So don't forget, if you don't know how to recognize it, just go back to the indicator that I showed you earlier and then turn it on. I just turn it off right now. Off. Okay, now you can see it's turned to red color. So this is my inside bar. Then all I need to do is to wait for market to close below this inside bar. You mark the high and the low of the inside bar, then you wait for the market to close below. If you have been studying my strategy ever from inside bar or ever from shooting star, hammer, all those doji, you see that I'm marking high and the low and then waiting for market to close before I make decision. That's a very conservative way of trading, and if you are trading that way, you are going to be making more money in the market. So I'm waiting for market to close below the lower line. Why I'm not waiting for market to close below? Because market just buy to key resistance zone, and I'm noticing that many sellers, they are hiding right here. Many sellers are hiding right here because they want to know that when market go to the key resistance zone, market is going to drop. So I want to join the sellers at the key resistance zone. I want to join the sellers, and that's why I don't want to sell right here, because market can do fake out. Market can do as if it will not and break it and hit my stop loss. I don't want to do that. So I want something to show me that market really want to go down, and this is my inside bar showing me that market really want to go down, right? If you mean business, this inside bar, but this inside bar just signal. I need confirmation from my inside bar, right? And the confirmation is when market close below, right? Okay, now let's go. Okay, now market close below. As market close below, the next thing that I'm going to do, don't forget, I already measure from here to here, it's just 30 pips. And market close below, I'm going to place my sales order right here. I'll place it on the black next to this candle as a sell limit, and my stop loss small above, few pips, like 5 pips above your 5 pips above your inside bar is okay. 5 pips is okay. So this is my sell limit. Most time sell limit is better. Even when you are trading on Hago, sell limit is better than sell, because it saves your time. You already do your analysis, just place your sell limit. Don't forget that market is right here when you are placing your sell limit. You already know that market is coming down, but it's a different ball game when you started selling from here, or when you wait for market to go back here before you started selling. So if you are waiting for market here before you started selling, you make more money than someone selling from here, right? I don't need to be explaining this one. I've already explained this in my previous video, right? Okay, so wait for when market go back up, and on this candle, this next, the current candle, market went back up. Market went back up to activate our sell limit. Okay, now let's see what happened after market activate our sell limit. So then we have not set our profit target. The profit target can be the next support level. You can target this place. If this one is your 1:2, you can target it. So minimum of 1:2. This level is already my 1:2. So I think I'm satisfied with that level. Or if you are going from 1:3, maybe you have a strategy that you can go from 1:2, you take 50%, and 1:3 you take 100% of your trade. Yeah, it's left to you. Let's see how market reacts to that level after we have placed our sell limits. Okay. Market activate our sell limit. Go back to the entry again. Small profit, go back to entry again. Market is dropping now. Oh, market just hit my, if I've placed my profit target at this place, I already hit my 1:2. Fine. But let's say I want to go for 1:3. Let's see if market hit the profit target. Oh, market hit the profit target. So 1:2 done and 1:3 done. So that is how to trade inside bar for reversal pattern. Number one, don't forget, you go to daily time frame and look for key support levels. That's very, very important. Key support and key resistance level on daily time frame. Then you come back to 4 hours time frame. If 4 hours is your time frame, you come back to 4 hour time frame, and then you look for inside bar. Don't forget, you are looking for inside bar that are going against the current trend, and then you are going to look for a candle that closes below when you are selling, and when you are buying, you are going to look for a candle that closes above. Right? You are going to look for a candle that closes above when you are buying, and then you are going to wait for market to retest when market is going below, to retest and then start selling. And when you are buying, okay, there's another example right here. Let me show you. It's another example right here. You can see right here, this is a support level. This is a support level, and then this is an inside bar, right? So they are it's very, very common on charts. So this is an inside bar right here. Market close above, and then you started buying. This one, market tap your stop loss. It happens. Yes, you have to believe it happens, not every time, but you can still make this. So market tap your stop loss, and then market did not close, right? Market tap into your stop loss, but market close back inside. So market close again, you start buying again. Yeah, and then you keep your stop loss where it belongs before. So in this trade, you make your stop loss back, you still make more profits. That is it. No strategy is 100%. You have to understand that. So this one, you make your money. The first entry was failed. The first entry, this one wrong. The second entry, you hit your profit target. Let's see how much you win in your second entry. Your second entry, you are risking 43 pips to make 95 pips. That's about 1:2. That is fine for you. That is very, very fine. So that is fine for you. Okay, now let's see how market reacts with this one. This is an inside bar also. You see, this one is also an inside bar. See this one. So market close above, and then I am buying one retest. So place a buy limit right there. How many pips? It's about 45 pips to get 90 pips. You see, this is 104 pips. You can see now. So you can see that when you are trading inside bar, there are many opportunities for you as a trader when you are trading inside bar. So another one here. So out of the 5 or 6 inside bar that we look into, it's only one that is doesn't go our way. Market hits grab liquidity before going our way, but we actually make money from that trade. This is the only one that market hit stop loss. This one market hit stop loss. We make money from this one, make money from this one, make money from this one, and also make money from the first one that we trade. So you have to go back to your chart, do some back testing, and then give me your comment. So subscribe to my channel, click the like buttons and notification buttons to see my next video. You can also join my Telegram group, and then if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I will show you how I will address all the questions in the comment section, and then you can also join my Telegram group to know how to, maybe you have any clarification to any question. Join my Telegram group. I will address all the questions there. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button and notification button to see my next video. Thank you.